So Freshdesk web related video create now. So this boolean is a tick. So Freshdesk side any record create and a direct syncing to Odoo side. So this boolean ticks and a webhook URL you can see and regenerate it button click through and a default help desk ticket team select and ticket event create and update if any boolean is untick, so Freshdesk said create any ticket, so not syncing, and then after save, and this is a Freshdesk connection dashboard view. So I create the one ticket in Freshdesk side. Plus fill the values first setup and description add and reference not a mandatory field and add the tag and create ticket. So syncing log is created and a ticket is also created. So you can see LBS ticket created with this contact is not available in Odoo site. So also contact created. This is a response from Freshdesk to Odoo like this. All details and operation is create and this is a response for contact related and create operation Bob tree. So also Freshdesk data syncing to Odoo side with a proper email, mobile number, address, and Freshdesk details with Freshdesk ID and syncing that and also link the ticket you can see and with tag and Freshdesk details resolve medium status and priority. So all data syncing to Freshdesk to Odoo side. Whenever I update the any okay, first I change the exiting ticket inside any changes like the new contact create like create a new and set the new contact. Create the contact and this contact select in this ticket and save the ticket and update the some details like status change and priority change and update. So this ticket updated in yes you can see syncing the log. Yes, ticket updated and contact not available in Odoo site. So that ticket related contact also created. You can see test demo with response and operation create and success. and link the ticket MOF socha. And yes, you can chatter inside the show the world's details. Priority change and status change, and also you can see this world's data and tags like this future is a Freshdesk webhook functionality for ticket create and update action.